Good morning, students. Now, today we'll start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 19 of the plus one bio. And the topic of this chapter is excretory products and their elimination. Clear? Excretory products and their elimination means what are the waste products formed during metabolism and how we are removing out of the body. Clear? So, that we'll do in detail. So, firstly, let's see. Now, what are the main waste products formed during the metabolite activities or during the metabolism when chemical reactions are occurring in your body? The main waste products formed in your body are ammonia, urea, uric acid, carbon dioxide, water and some oils, right, like sodium, potassium, calcium. These are the waste products which are mostly formed in the animals, right, during the metabolical activities, or you can say during the metabolism. Now, out of these products formed, the ammonia is the most toxic. Clear? And if we talk about the nitrogen base, the uric acid is the least toxic. Means ammonia, urea and uric acid, these three are the nitrogenous waste. Clear? ये तीनों nitrogenous waste है बेटा, और इन तीनों में से which is most toxic, that is ammonia, and least toxic, uric acid, right? Carbon dioxide, water, ions, other waste products are also formed. But mainly we will concentrate on ammonia, urea and uric acid, right? Now, depending upon what type of waste product is produced by the animal, we group them into three categories, right? So, there are three categories. The first one is ammonotelism. Clear? First one, that is ammonotelism. Now, what are these animals? Ammonotelism are those animals which remove ammonia as a waste product. Clear? What they are removing? As from the name, so you can learn, it's very easy to learn what they are removing. Ammonia, okay? So, ammonotelism, animals which remove ammonia. Now, this ammonia basically is readily soluble in water. Clear? So, if it is readily soluble, readily removed, it means most of the aquatic animals, they are producing this ammonia, right? For example, you can have some bony fish, not all, some bony fishes, or most of the, you can say many bony fishes are having this. Aquatic amphibians, aquatic amphibian means amphibians which live in water because they need water, clear, to remove ammonia. And aquatic insects, they need water because as soon as ammonia is released, it immediately dissolves in the water and easy to remove. Okay, excuse me. Now, second type, ureotelic. Clear? The first letters you can learn. Clear? Ureotelic means the animals which excrete urea. Clear? जो nitrogen based urea की form में बाहर निकालते हैं, we call them ureotelic, right? For example, most of them are terrestrial, ज़मीन पे रहते हैं. Example, mammals, amphibians, and you can find some fishes also there which remove urea as a waste product, but they will be in water, right? Now, then third type is uricotelic. Clear? Third type is uricotelic. As from the first spelling you can learn, the animals which remove or excrete uric acid, clear, as a waste product, we call it uricotelic, right? For example, birds, snails, etc. Right? I think these three terms are clear. What are ammonotelic and others? Clear? Now, if we talk about this uricotelic animals, they are excreting mainly urea. Clear? Now, how this urea is formed? The ammonia formed as a waste product, ठीक है, जो बेटा ammonia बनता है in animals में, that is get converted to urea. Clear? जो ammonia होता है वो metabolism में urea में convert हो जाता है, and then it is urea in the liver. Converted into urea. ये बनता कहाँ है अमोनिया से यूरिया? लिवर में बनता है बेटा. Clear? And then it is released into the blood. Clear? Afterward it is given to the blood, and then blood will go to the kidney and kidneys will filter this urea. Clear? जैसे हम लोगों में होता है बेटा. Understand? Now, then birds. Clear? अब birds में uricotelic है. They are secrete uric acid. So uric acid, as very less amount of water is wasted during this process, so they are removing uric acid in the form of pellets. पंजाबी च बड़े जिन्हों आप बिट्ठा कह दें, ठीक है. So they are removing uric acid in the form of pellets, right? So we call it you can say uricotalic animals, right? I think these three terms are clear, right? Now then different animals are having different organs for the excretion. These are the waste products, clear? तो अब इनको निकालने के लिए your body will need some organs, right? Now like protonephridia or flame cells, clear? If we talk about the platyhelminthes are having the, you can say, flame cells, right? What are the flame cells? Sorry. Now flame cells, these flame cells are the excretory organs in the flatworms, like for example planaria or rotifers, right? Some annelids and cephalocordates like amphioxus, clear? Protonephridia are there, clear? They will help to remove it, or they help in osmoregulation, maintaining the osmotic pressure, clear? Then nephridia in earthworm. If we talk about the earthworm, they are having the round different structures, we call it nephridia, clear? So then Malpighian tubules in, you can say, insects like cockroach, clear? Cockroach are having Malpighian tubules as excretory organ, right? Now prawns and other animals, they are having green glands, right? So different animals are having different organs for the removal of these waste products, clear? So this is the topic for today, clear? I think it is clear to you. Thanks and have a nice day, beta.